Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. If you are a new beginners and you don't know what is a ChatGPT is a chatbot which you can use for simple queries, and if you ask some question here, it will give you the right information of the answer here. So to use the ChatGPT, you need to open any browser here, go to Google and search for ChatGPT here. Then you will option called OpenAI.com ChatGPT, so just click on it. After opening the website, you will have an option here, try ChatGPT. So if you click on the try ChatGPT here, this will give you option for login or sign up here. So if you want to, so if you're new here, you have to click on the sign up option here. Then you have to create your account. Just give your email address here. Then you have to set a password for your account here. Then also they will give you email to verify your email here. You have to verify your email, go to your Gmail and check for the verify option. Also you have to verify your phone number to log in the new account here. Now once you have logged into your ChatGPT account here, so let me just turn on the dark mode here. After that, you can see there's an option in the chat option here. You can send the queries here, and as you can see, explain quantum computing in simple terms. This is the example queries. You can put anything you can ask in the ChatGPT. Also, you can see the capabilities of the ChatGPT are here. Allow user to provide follow-up correction and also train to declare inappropriate requests. And also, you have to know that limited knowledge of the world and events of the 2021. So you cannot ask anything about 2022. So it will give you incorrect information. So let me just ask a question here. So what is ChatGPT? And it will give you the answer here, as you can see. So I am ChatGPT, a large language model created by OpenAI. So as you can see, this is giving the answer for you. And also you can stop generating here. And you can also click to regenerate response here. So there's a lot of use you can. So there's a lot of ways you can use ChatGPT here. So that's it guys. This is how you use the ChatGPT in your PC. If you're new beginners, you can use a lot of ways with ChatGPT. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.